I'm gonna tell you how to fix your TikTok if it's saying it's unable to authorize, and please try again on your iPhone or iPad. So if you're getting the unable to authorize, please try again error on TikTok, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary login issue, a network problem, or just an app related bug. The first thing you should do is completely close TikTok and reopen it. Then try logging in again. Sometimes a simple reset is enough to reset the connection between your device and TikTok servers. If that doesn't work, check your internet connection, try switching between Wi Fi and mobile data, then attempt to log in again. Because a weak or unstable connection can sometimes trigger authorization errors. Next, make sure you're running the latest version of TikTok. Open the App Store and check for any available updates. Because TikTok regularly releases fixes for login and authentication issues. You should also restart your iPhone or iPad. While it sounds simple, restarting the device can clear temporary software glitches that may be interfering with the login process. If you're still seeing the error, try uninstalling TikTok and reinstalling it from the App Store. This will replace any corrupted app files and give you a fresh installation. Another thing to check is whether TikTok servers are experiencing problems. If there's a temporary outage, the authorization error may affect many users at the same time. And in that case, your only option is to wait until TikTok resolves the issue. And finally, if you're using a VPN, try disabling it before logging in. Because VPNs can sometimes interfere with TikTok's authentication system and cause authorization errors. So, those are the most common effective ways to fix this, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more useful content.